Hey, also welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Brianamccalip, and I'm back with another hair video. Finally, a hair video where you can see us actually making the own wig and styling it and coloring it. So in this video, I will be actually showing you how to dye this wig, and my mom will be she constructed the wig, so she will be showing you how to style the hair. I also will also how to style the hair. I also want to know if you guys wanted a video on how to actually construct a brown wig. All of this hair will be in the description right below, and actually where I got this hair from. But I will tell you right now, I definitely love the frontal of this company's hair. You'll check them out in the description below. Everything will be down there, including the frontal and front. If you get some thumbs with this video, comment and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you on my next hair tutorial. We're back with another video, but it's interesting because this is a hair video. This is me. But anyways, this is a beautiful blonde wig that my mom constructed. I don't want to keep coming on here and show y'all how to construct the wig, but we never did a video with us constructing a blonde wig on a blonde cap with blonde thread. So if you ever want to see how I construct this video, once I get more blonde hair, I will definitely show you how to recreate method and lay everything flat. This is a full wig, like, man, like, she did a good job. My mom put the lace this wig. So I'm going to show y'all, this is the lace. It's really soft. What I really like about the lace on this wig is that it is pre-plucked. So like, I don't have to even do anything. I'm going to dye this. I am going to do an Arroganttae inspired. This is the inspired wig that we are going to be doing. I am really excited because it looks so easy. It looks so easy. Let me show you the construction of the wig before I actually section out the parts. So this is the construction of the wig, y'all. Bomb. Look at that. It's going crazy. I am going to be putting gas to be glue so that the dye won't sink in the lace. So this is the construction of the wig. This is how the wig looks. Any construction of a wig. Products that we will be using today. You will need 2 brushes, y'all. 2 dyeing brushes. Whole head, you will need a door. I should have got all Adore, but I really wanted those colors to be vibrant. So I got 2 Adore dyes. So we're gonna do gray. This is 155 titanium colors of the Arctic Box dyes. I'm gonna crack this section out. You can't see what I'm doing, but what I did is I went ahead and sprayed some gas to be glue onto the lace. To take this wire is, it's kind of hot, but not like burning hot. Titanium 155, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically put a lot of this in there. It all depends too on how you want it. If you want it like really gray, or you know, it all depends on you and how you want it. So I want it gray. So I might put maybe all this bottle in there. I'm gonna turn it. Let's turn it a little bit. Okay, yeah. It's turning a little bit, y'all. Okay, so that turned gray. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this sit for a minute, so that it can catch all the colors. And if I have to go back in, I'll go back in on camera. But I'm gonna come back when it's time to actually dye the color part. The color that we wanted, so it's still like some areas you can see that it's like blonde, but it's not blonde. It's like a gray, light gray blonde. So I put the gas to be glue on the lace, You can see that it didn't affect the cap either. It's still blonde. I did spray some Gatsby glue on it and it did not turn the inside of the lace like gray. Look at that lace. So what I basically did is do what he did. Purple is first. Don't forget underneath. So it's gonna be a totally different color. Yeah, see how it's supposed to be yellow and it's not? It's like a come back, y'all, with everything conditioned and washed and ready to be styled.